Happy Monday, everybody, and welcome back to the farm. It is a day of massive progress here, as Dragan has spent the entire day working on the roofing for our sheep shed. As you can see, everything is mostly covered. He has one and a piece of a stall left yet to complete, and then just the highest point here of a little bit of an overhang, which is going to require cutting the panels and piecing those together. But all in all, it feels like we are rounding the corner for certain now. It's been a very hot day for Dragan, working very hard. He's changed his shirt a couple of times. Happy Monday, Dragan.
Oh, is that we starting right here?
We are starting right here,
okay.
right now.
Oh, happy Monday, everybody.
How are you doing today?
Tired. Satisfied. We got a lot done. Feels good. Looks good.
No, you don't. You've already taken care of that.
It looks good. Like Kevin mentioned, to speed up the process, we did everything but the cut pieces. And we'll do those at the end. We had another five panels, so another 25 panels to put. Maybe 5 this way, right? Wasn't there 6?
I don't remember.
Yeah, 5 and a half, with the half up there. But yeah, it's coming along really nicely. I love it. Yeah.
All right.
It's just my hands are sore. This has been all day, and a reach all the way. Especially that first screw is something to get a hold of it. Especially sometimes you distance blocking or so. But we're getting it done. So looks good. So happy we got that done. We got Jason was here. I don't know if Kevin got any footage.
No, I didn't get any
Jason
footage.
Was here, got the field cut. One more time. We have some nice break in the weather. There was no rain in the forecast, so hopefully he can get some hay for his cows. But yeah. And now we got to go feed the rest of the animals. We are behind on the feeding and a couple other things to do. So.
All right. We'll check in with you guys tomorrow. Yes, definitely tomorrow. Hey, look at Bella. She said, I'll take the shortcut. Look at your house, bro. The fuck?
Oh, camera, I can't see it.
We talked about it earlier. More. Happy Thursday, everybody. One small step down the ladder for Dragan. One giant leap for the sheep here at Gardening Gays farm. Dragan and Sam just completed the roof of our sheep shed. I was checking the calendar, and exactly 3 weeks ago today, on August 7th, is when the materials arrived for this shed. Still have to complete work on the sides and some additional support inside to keep the sheep from leaning on the panels. But so far, so good. Here's what the back looks like that Dragan and Sam completed yesterday. It's a nice opening space right there for some cross breeze ventilation. Of course, as we mentioned before, the front of the shed will also stay open. sure the sheep will enjoy being in here. As soon as that first panel went up, it was instantly cooler inside. Gonna walk around and bring you to the guys up front. They are moving inside the shade where we're going to join them to talk a little bit more about today's progress. We also still need to work on finishing dropping the water line. Hopefully Justin is going to be out potentially as early as Saturday to do some other work and to help us take care of that too as well.
Sam is gonna.
Gonna need to. There we go. Got you now in some nice lighting. Happy Thursday, Dragon. Sam, would you like to join them? Sam is
Bella.
very integral in
Bella's loving it.
this. Come on, Sam. You're not in the shot. Walk over there.
Bella's here too.
Take-
Come on, Belly.
Take
Come
your
here.
take your
Come
shine,
here, Belly.
Sam.
Come here, Mama.
Dragon.
Sit. There is my belly.
Bella has enjoyed
This is Bella's new favorite spot.
being under
the
here,
shade.
but only after a couple of the panels went up did she stay. Otherwise, she was just a short-time visitor. How's it going today, Dragon?
Not bad. Sam, what do you think? It felt longer than what it was, but haven't said 3 weeks.
3 weeks, exactly 3 weeks today since material showed up.
Measured everything with our eye. So everything's
Well,
perfect.
eyeballing everything.
Everything's perfect.
No, it looks really good.
Yeah. First time, right?
Yeah, first
For
time
both of
building,
us.
for both of us building something
So
this week.
it was fun. I enjoyed it. Learned a lot of learning lessons. A lot of little mistakes that, as long as you don't put the camera on it, we'll be all right.
But no, it's good. Still got to do the sides and then we're gonna do the riding pen. So
Made a big difference with the temperature. It's like
it's 20 degrees, cooler underneath. Sure, sheep are gonna love it.
Yep.
when we started this job, working in the sun. I mean, it was hotter, a little hotter, but regardless, like right now, being on the ladder and then coming down and being under the shade, big difference. So they're gonna be good.
Good investment.
Good investment, yeah.
All right.
I know it's a lot back-breaking labor to do this. And you see your neighbors putting up a shed in 3 days. And you're like, oh, I wish I could do that. And now that it's done, it's good. We save a lot of money. A shed like this would probably cost 15, 20 grand. So, and we did probably a quarter of that. So. Do it yourself,
You
everybody.
did the test, right? You did the test, you
Yeah,
shook
we
it,
did the test. We shook it.
it doesn't
Not
move.
moving, so it's good. Yeah, roofing panels kind of locked everything in. How many screws did you use? But yeah, looks good.
Looks
We'll
good.
bring you back for once we close everything in. But yeah, I love it.
Yeah, so that's all that's left, just closing the sides up.
And putting in some "Don't Lean on Me's" in the interior.
Sheep don't lean on it.
All right.
All right.
Thank you. Appreciate you guys. He said, "I'm sure you do." For those of you who couldn't hear him.
Belly. Good job. Come on, Belly. Come on. Come on, Bella. Come on, Mama. Come on, Belly. Come on. It's your Mama. Come on. Come on. Come on, Belly. Come on. It's your Mama. Come on. Come on, Belly. Come on. Come on. There you go. Come on. Good job. Good job.
Happy Saturday, everybody. We have made it beyond the end of the week, and it is now time to wrap things up. Hopefully try to get a little bit of rest. We're ending the vlog on a Saturday instead of on a Sunday, just hours before it needs to post. So I count that a success so far. Happy Saturday, Dragon.
How you doing?
I'm doing wonderful. I could really use a nap, but
I'm ready for it. Busy day?
very busy day. As you saw earlier this week, we loaded in our first batch of some fall color in the garden center, and that went over very well, especially today. The weather has been gorgeous. We had Jamaican for food truck brunch at the farm series today. Jason is here. We haven't captured any of him working except for he and David, his husband, helping out with offloading the plants the other day, but we'll catch up with him sometime in the next coming days as well. Lots happening this week. Dragan and Sam got that sheep shed probably a good 90% or more complete, and we have a few more things out there to get buttoned up when Justin comes, hopefully Monday, and then we can start utilizing that space. So very excited about that and can't wait to get the sheep in over there. Dragan?
Sam and I spruced. Sam was here today also helping us out. We spruced up some of the planters, the trumpet. I don't know if you ever showed the trumpet.
The angel trumpets? I don't think we have, yeah.
It's some angel trumpets plants that we have. We've probably seen them. Some of the videos, they were right by the store entrance for most of the summer. But they got too big for their planters, so we potted them up. And Kevin is going to show you.
Yeah,
the closing of the
I'll
studio.
show you. I'll show you the closing.
We got the hose connected and dropped into the ditch. So Justin is also coming Monday to do that. And to close that ditch, we still need to get the hydrants to connect them. But at least we're gonna have majority, 99% of the ditch covered back and hosed in. So, and I think Kevin captured some of the new planters, tubs.
Planters got moved.
Yeah, refreshed the tubs, and they are looking amazing. Got lots of compliments on them today. Lots of people are coming in. So,
Yeah.
plus people like to see kind of how we utilize the plants that we have for sale in the garden center. So it's kind of nice for them to get a little preview on how to give them some ideas. So, yeah.
Absolutely. All right, lots coming. That big project that was supposed to happen this week has been delayed, so it'll happen on farm time, as I like to say these days. A lot of times the farm dictates when something is happening, and we're in that situation again, along with also the folks that we are working with to make that happen. We'll bring you guys along whenever that time comes, and just stay tuned. We know that you will. Otherwise, we are going to go and try to get ourselves a little bit of rest and finish taking care of the animals. In the meantime, if you happen to be traveling through Virginia, coming down US 301 and driving through King George County, make sure you stop right here and see us at the farm. Everybody stay safe out there, and we'll see you again real soon.
We'll see you next week.